Hans Wilsdorf was born in Bavaria in 1881. He had a happy childhood, but tragedy struck early. When Hans was just 12 years old, both his parents passed away. This left him orphaned at a young age. Wilsdorf had to learn to be independent. He was sent to boarding school in Switzerland. This move would shape his destiny. Switzerland was, and still is, the heart of watchmaking. Despite facing adversity early on, Wilsdorf remained determined. He knew he wanted to make something of his life. His journey to success, however, was not straightforward. It was paved with challenges that he met with unwavering resolve. Switzerland, with its tradition of precision and craftsmanship, is a land where every detail matters. This beautiful country left an indelible mark on the young Hans Wilsdorf, who was captivated by its serene landscapes and meticulous culture. He was drawn to the world of watchmaking, a field that combined art and science. It fascinated him deeply. After finishing school, he made the pivotal decision to stay in Switzerland, a place that had already begun to shape his future. He started working for a watchmaking company, immersing himself in the craft. He learned about every part of the business, from the intricate mechanisms to the art of assembly. This hands-on experience proved invaluable, giving him a deep understanding of the trade. Wilsdorf quickly learned the intricacies of timekeeping, mastering the delicate balance of precision and reliability. He wasn't just interested in watches. He was passionate about their accuracy and reliability, qualities that would define his career. His ambition grew, and he dreamed of creating his own watches, ones that would stand the test of time. Driven by this vision, Wilsdorf co-founded his first company in 1905, a bold step for a young entrepreneur. He was only 24 years old, yet he had a clear vision and unwavering determination. His company, Wilsdorf Davis, was based in London, England, a city bustling with opportunity and innovation. Their goal was simple yet ambitious: to make high-quality wristwatches accessible to everyone, revolutionizing the way people kept time. At the turn of the 20th century, wristwatches were not common. Pocket watches were the norm. People saw wristwatches as unreliable and imprecise. Wilsdorf, however, saw their potential. Wilsdorf believed in the future of the wristwatch. He knew that for wristwatches to be accepted, they had to be accurate. He focused on improving their accuracy and reliability. He sourced the most precise movements from Switzerland. These small mechanisms were the heart of the watch. This dedication to quality set his watches apart. Section 4. Building a brand. Rolex is born. Wilsdorf understood that a great product needed a strong brand. He wanted a name that was easy to pronounce in any language. It also had to be short and memorable. In 1908, he registered the trademark Rolex. The name was unique and catchy. It also looked elegant when printed on the watch dials. With the Rolex brand established, Wilsdorf set his sights on the world. He wanted to prove the quality and reliability of his wristwatches. He knew that satisfied customers were the best advertisement. Section 5. Precision timekeeping. Wilsdorf constantly sought ways to innovate and improve his watches. He wanted them to be more than just timekeepers. He wanted them to be symbols of precision and durability. In 1910, a Rolex wristwatch achieved something remarkable. It was the first wristwatch in the world to receive an official chronometric certificate. This certification, awarded by the Official Watch Rating Center in Bienne, Switzerland, was a testament to the watch's accuracy. This achievement was a turning point. It proved that wristwatches could be just as precise as pocket watches. This was a major victory for Wilsdorf. It legitimized the wristwatch as a reliable timekeeping instrument. Section 6. Overcoming challenges. The First World War presented new challenges for Wilsdorf. The global conflict disrupted economies and supply chains, making it difficult for businesses to operate smoothly. For Hans Wilsdorf, the founder of Rolex, these challenges were particularly daunting. Import duties on precious metals like gold and silver were increasing. These metals were essential for crafting high-quality watches, and the rising costs threatened the profitability of his business. This made it expensive to import watch parts from Switzerland to England. The logistical hurdles and financial burdens were mounting, and Wilsdorf needed a solution to keep his dream alive. Wilsdorf made a bold decision. He realized that to overcome these obstacles, he had to think strategically and act decisively. He moved his company from England to Switzerland in 1919. This relocation was not just a change of address, it was a calculated move to ensure the survival and growth of his company. This strategic move allowed him to continue producing high-quality watches. Switzerland was renowned for its watchmaking expertise, and being based there provided Wilsdorf with access to the best craftsmen and materials. Switzerland's neutrality also provided a stable environment for his business to thrive. Unlike many other countries embroiled in the war, Switzerland offered a peaceful and secure setting for innovation and production. Wilsdorf's innovative spirit was relentless. He was not content with merely surviving. He aimed to push the boundaries of what was possible in watchmaking. He constantly pushed the boundaries of watchmaking. His relentless pursuit of excellence led to groundbreaking innovations that would set new standards in the industry. In 1926, Rolex created the Oyster watch. This was a significant milestone in the history of horology, representing a leap forward in both design and functionality. This was the world's first waterproof wristwatch. The Oyster watch was a marvel of engineering, designed to withstand the elements and keep time accurately under any conditions. The Oyster was a revelation. It captured the public's imagination and set a new benchmark for durability and performance in wristwatches. It demonstrated the brand's commitment to durability and performance. The success of the Oyster watch solidified Rolex's reputation as a leader in the watchmaking industry, a legacy that continues to this day. Section 7. A legacy of luxury and innovation. Wilsdorf's vision extended beyond just creating functional timepieces. He envisioned a brand that would stand the test of time, not just in terms of durability, but also in terms of its cultural impact. He wanted Rolex watches to be symbols of success and achievement. To him, a Rolex was more than a watch. It was a statement, a testament to one's accomplishments and aspirations. He knew his watches had to be more than just accurate. They had to be desirable. They had to evoke a sense of pride and exclusivity in their owners. He carefully cultivated the Rolex image, ensuring that every advertisement, every public appearance, and every endorsement aligned with his vision of excellence and prestige. He associated the brand with exploration and adventure. He believed that a Rolex should be a companion in the most challenging and exhilarating moments of life. Rolex watches were worn by explorers, athletes, and pioneers. These individuals who pushed the boundaries of human potential became the perfect ambassadors for the brand. One famous example is Sir Edmund Hillary's expedition to Mount Everest in 1953. This monumental achievement was a testament to human endurance and the reliability of Rolex watches. Hillary and his team relied on Rolex Oyster perpetual watches during their historic climb. These watches were not just accessories, they were essential tools that helped them navigate the treacherous conditions. This event solidified Rolex's reputation for durability and precision in even the harshest conditions. It proved that a Rolex could withstand the most extreme environments and still perform flawlessly. Hans Wilsdorf's story is an inspiration. His journey from humble beginnings to becoming a titan in the watchmaking industry is a testament to his vision, determination, and innovative spirit. From a challenging start, he became a pioneer in the watchmaking industry. He faced numerous obstacles, but his unwavering commitment to quality and innovation set him apart. He revolutionized the way people perceived wristwatches. No longer were they just functional items, they became symbols of status, achievement, and adventure. Today, Rolex is a global icon, synonymous with luxury, precision, and adventure. The brand continues to innovate, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in watchmaking. It's a fitting legacy for the orphan boy who dared to dream big. Hans Wilsdorf's vision lives on in every Rolex watch, a testament to his enduring impact on the world of horology. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching!